One sunny afternoon, a little boy named Timmy found a magical recipe in his grandmother's old cookbook. The recipe was for the most delicious pie in the world. Timmy's eyes sparkled with excitement as he read the words, "Pie of Wonders." He gathered all the ingredients, flour, sugar, salt, butter, and the most important one, a secret ingredient that his grandmother never revealed. Timmy thought hard, remembering every story his grandmother told him about the magical pie. With a sense of adventure, he decided to add a pinch of love, just like his grandmother always said. He mixed the ingredients together, hoping for the best. As he rolled out the dough, he heard a soft whisper, "You're doing great, Timmy." He placed the pie in the oven and waited impatiently. The aroma of the baking pie filled the kitchen, making Timmy's mouth water. After what felt like hours, the pie was ready. He carefully took it out of the oven and let it cool. As he cut the first piece, a beautiful golden glow emanated from the pie, filling the kitchen with warmth. Timmy's eyes widened with surprise and joy. He took a bite and a wave of happiness washed over him. It was the most delicious pie he had ever tasted. He shared the pie with his family and friends, and everyone agreed it was indeed the pie of wonders. That night, as Timmy went to bed, he felt a sense of accomplishment. He had not only made the most delicious pie but also learned the secret ingredient his grandmother had always talked about, love. From that day on, Timmy knew that no matter what he did, as long as he put love into it, everything would turn out wonderfully. And every time he made a pie, he would remember his magical adventure and the pie of wonders.